Ciao ragazzi and welcome to Villarosa. I am just leaving this camping spot, Camping delle Rose. Was a very nice spot and super cheap. Man, what was going on there? The night there cost me 11 euro. A large beer there was 2.50. This morning I had 2 pieces of dolce and 1 coffee, and I paid 3.50 euro. So that's pretty much nothing, and it was really nice. The bathroom was really good. I slept very well, even though there was a thunderstorm at night. It flooded my tent, but only one side, so I slept on the other one. This morning I got to dry everything out, and I'm having a cold shower after hitting the sea. That really lifted my mood, so I'm feeling a lot better now. As you probably have seen in the last vlog, before that I was kind of miserable, but I'm back in business now. This should be my when I get enough subscribers to do some merchandising, and when people are going to buy it, I'm gonna make a Vespucci Berlin shirt that says, "Actually, we're back in business." That would be great, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it? Would you buy it? I'd wear it. Okay, I'm gonna go right here, even though I'm gonna hit the pay road, but I'm not sure if that's, let's see. No. Okay, don't worry, we'll take the next. My air mattress was losing a lot of air. At first, when Kathy was still around, it was just a little, and it was very manageable, right? So this mattress is made out of a material that even when it's punctured, it still keeps the air very well. But the last nights, it got worse all the time. So I tried to use this stuff that came along with it, but I kind of cut it in 2 small pieces, so okay, thank you. Still, that navigation system, just tell me left or right. I don't need to know the name of the street. Okay, whatever. So I didn't know what to do, because the last nights it took like 2 hours until the mattress was completely flat and I was lying on the ground. But this morning I got an idea, because I got those glue patches for attaching a camera to a helmet. You know, those 3M, those red 3M patches? So this morning I was using one of those, and from what I can tell by now, they really worked. Let's see what the night brings. But yeah, this looked really good. I'm fresh and I'm clean. I have kind of gotten over all the troubles that were last time. Oh yeah, and also this morning, this night, when this thunderstorm were, and when I tried to get the water out of my tent, I must have sitting or laying on my sunglasses, so the sunglasses broke. I was able to make them work for now. But yeah, I was followed by bad luck the last days, ever since that drone incident. But, well, bad luck is what you make of it, so I'm trying not to think of it anymore and not gonna let me spoil my last couple of days. We are gonna go to San Marino, another midget state. And I really want to see that. I would check my list of midget states there. Fratelli Moretti. Oh, I like those guys. It's not part of the EU, but it uses the euro. Before that, San Marino was using French, Italian and Spanish money. It is one of the richest little states in Europe. So we're gonna pass through there. I have to shut off my mobile data while in there. So I'm gonna drive there without navigation. But I mean, it's so small, we're gonna make that work. And tonight, we're gonna go somewhere close to Venice, to the national park of the Po Delta, and gonna look for a camping spot there. Yeah, this is gonna be fun, right? Yeah, and after that, I'm gonna have another stop in North Austria or even South Germany. Tomorrow, we're gonna do another little sightseeing trip through Venice. And after we're done with Venice, we'll be passing Austria and gonna come close to Germany or even gonna be in Germany, I'm not sure. Well, and this is gonna be it. Alright guys, I'm gonna hit the pay road now. 500 kilometers in this direction, you got Croatia. The Adriatic coast is very nice and the water this morning was also very good. But it doesn't beat the water and the beach from Triskina. The vlog with the cute little kitty cats. Hello. Can you see me? I can see me. I need a shave. I stopped here at the gas station. Got some gas. Got a delicious panino that was really good, that really lifted my mood, and a quinoto that was okay. It was interesting. I never had one like this. It was kind of more like a quinoto lemonade. You know, I love this quinoto stuff. It's bitter orange lemonade. So basically it's a alcohol-free bitter. So food-wise, the last weeks weren't as promising or didn't fulfill all the promises I was hoping to get from Italy, because I had some not so good pizzas, I had some not so good paninos that were kind of dry, I had some not so great ice cream, and I was actually playing with the thought of going to this McDonald's here, but no, then I thought like, no, I can't do that. This is like sacrilege. Yeah, so I had a panini there with gorgonzola and zucchini and some pancetta, and man, oh man, that was delicious. That brought me back on track with the nice Italian food. Did I say one of the richest states in Europe? I think I did, because that was wrong. It's one of the richest states in the world. So I'm excited what I'm gonna see there. Okay, it still is gonna be a little bit, like maybe an hour or so, up until San Marino. First of all, this nice castello here. The thing that is troubling me a little though is, to the left you see that there is a couple of dark clouds, and this is exactly where I'm going now. Like, it's 20 more kilometers down this road here, down the pay road, and then I'm turning left into the mountains. So let's see how that's gonna turn out. I might gonna have to make a stop in between. And there we go. There is rain. I hope the rain stays smooth until I reach the next gas station. Should be in around 15 kilometers or something. Okay, so the whole not getting wet thing didn't work. I am wet. I'm wearing my wool sweater now, and I need to hurry up to get to San Marino, because I checked the radar and there's more shit coming this way. So what would be great would be to get off the autostrada. Also a thing some nice fella just told me is that with my 125 Vespa I am actually not allowed to drive on a Italian autostrada or pay road or every road that's green. In Germany and pretty much as far as I know all the other countries, you need, for the Autobahn, you need to have a minimum speed of 65 kilometers. So I thought I'm fine here in Italy. And I was just told that the Italian rule is 150 cc. Okay, the last time driving on the autostrada, that's it. That's it now. So in Germany, the Autobahn is blue and the regular road is yellow. So the overland road, you know, like the road that goes over countryside, country road. Take me home, country roads, to the place I belong, West Virginia. And here, the country road is blue and the Autobahn is green. How much?
Cambiare il testo di introduzione.
Hello. I just did. Salve, I entered my ticket, but it doesn't show.
Where come from?
Where I'm from? Where I started? Hold on, where? At no, I started at Villarosa. Villarosa.
Villarosa?
Sì.
Introdurre la tessera. Prego attendere, validazione in corso. Ritirare la tessera. Arrivederci.
Grazie, ciao.
Okay, ciao.
Okay guys, you saw what just happened. I entered my receipt. That road cost me $18.50. That was expensive. So yeah, it's actually a good, so it's a good thing I'm not gonna take the pay road anymore. That was expensive. And it had trouble taking my my ticket, but you've seen it. And back there, this fucker said like C when I tried to enter my card, but I didn't want to enter my card into that slot that already had problems with my ticket, because you know, if that doesn't work, you don't know what's gonna happen to the ticket. So I figured it's better to do it somewhere else. Dumbass. So I'm not completely stupid, is all I wanted to say. The good thing is now, when we're back at the regular road, I'm fast again. I used to be quite slow, because on the autostrada I am more slow, but on the country road I am one of the fast ones. Here we see our first San Marino license plate. RSM stands for Repubblica San Marino. And I think it's back there. Okay guys, I just entered San Marino. It turned out to be very quick. It went very quick. And I haven't managed to turn off my internet. I just saw a sign of tax-free consumer electronics. If I come across this place, then I will make a stop and see if they've got a tax-free drone. That'd be nice, but well, you don't know. Okay, so tax-free, and yes, one of the richest states in the world. I don't see it by now. Electronica is closed. Droni is closed. Okay, I thought I might get a drone at Droni. But what you gonna do? So that's fun. Another tax-free midget state. This time not a half Spanish, half French, but an Italian midget state. How cute is this? So here is this Electronico shopping center. Okay, so while I'm here, I'm gonna give that a shot. But it looks pretty closed, you know? I'm not sure, is it closed? Is it closed? Let's see. Let's see. How about I take you with me? This place is open. Electronics shopping center. Well, let's see. A San Marino shopping experience right now. What the fuck is with this place? Entrata discount. Huh? Discount? Entrata. I don't want to go to the discount. I want to go to the shopping center, to the electronics shopping center. So let's see if we find it. What is this place? Where did I land here? Where did I end up here? You know, if you ask me, this freaking electronics store is gone. Aua! This is funny. No, this is only the discount here. Let's see. A nice bag for 20 euros. Okay, the prices are pretty basic. So we didn't find a electronics store here because this place is creepy as hell. This is creepy as hell. Ciao, scusa, elettronico? Chiusa?
Sì, non c'è più.
Grazie, ciao.
Uno a Dogana Bassa.
Ah, grande elettronico down there, sì.
Sì.
Chiusa alla momento. No problemo. Grazie mille, ciao. Oh, she was really sweet. Very nice lady who told me. So we just passed the other electronics store, but it was closed and, well, it's not that bad. I don't know, if you get a new drone, a Mavic, including tax for $1,000, you take off 20% or something, you're at 800. Nah, I think I'm gonna buy that used, so it's not that bad, or not bad, it's not that pressing. Did you say that? Pressing? Okay. Are we still in compliance here? Yes, so my navigation system works without Wi-Fi. That is good. Can you please hold on for a second here? I'm gonna... Can you guys hear me? Hey, can you hear me? I'm sure you can. Okay, so this was an experience. Electronics SM. This is what the place is called. It is also a very electric logo. But unfortunately, nobody wanted to buy their cheap electronics. This is why they had to close down the business. Okay.